Amazon UK, we've got a lot of interest right now, like any other Amazon platform. With the current situation, there are lots of sellers going into Amazon UK, selling different kinds of products, but also obviously that's more or less led by the demand. What we have also seen in the past, where a lot of categories, like for example hygiene or groceries, which may not be of interest for buyers in the past, now it's suddenly, people are going and buying anything and everything in regards to grocery or sanitizing products, which is an interesting space. And with regards to competitive space, when you compare with Amazon US, which is the largest marketplace, obviously it's a lot less competitive than the US side. So so going in Amazon UK, and if you've not started, I think it's a good time to get things moving now.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.